In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance videos with Weavy AI. Weavy AI doesn't use a single enhance button. Instead, everything happens on a node-based workflow canvas where you connect building blocks, your media, a text prompt, and an enhancement model so the system knows exactly what to do. This approach gives you control and makes your results more consistent. First, import your video. Open the canvas and add a video input node, then bring your clip in by dragging and dropping it or by selecting it from your files. Keep an eye on resolution and frame rate. Enhancing tends to amplify whatever you give it. If your source is extremely compressed, the model can help, but a cleaner input will yield a cleaner output. It also helps to name your node clearly so you can track it at a glance. Next, add a prompt node. This is where you tell the system how you want the video to be enhanced. Then type in your prompt. Be specific and plain spoken. For example, describe the goal and the style. Sharpen fine details, reduce noise in dark areas, smooth flicker, maintain natural skin tones, boost contrast gently, or apply a subtle cinematic color balance. If you want upscaling, say so and include the target resolution. Clear direction makes the model's job easier and minimizes overcorrection. Now add a model that can enhance a video. For AI-generated videos, options like seed ants or cling are often the best fit because they're tuned for synthesized motion and texture. Pick a model that aligns with your source and your creative target. If you're unsure, start with a general purpose enhancer and stick with default parameters. You can refine your prompt language before you worry about fine-tuning knobs. With your pieces in place, connect the video node and the prompt node to the model node. On the canvas, drag from the output of the video node into the model's video input, and from the prompt node into the model's text input. Confirm that the connections are correct, video to video, text to text, so the model receives both the footage and your instructions. When everything is wired up, click Run Model. The system will process your clip according to your prompt and the model's capabilities. Processing time varies with clip length and complexity, so give it a moment. When it finishes, you'll see the enhanced output on the model's result panel ready to review. If you kept your prompt clear and focused, you should notice cleaner detail, smoother motion, and a more polished overall look. That's the whole flow. Import your video, add and write a purposeful prompt, choose an enhancement model suited to your footage, connect them, and run the model to generate your enhanced result.